Welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. The process to decide the new JFF board is underway as two members punched their tickets on Saturday. St. Mary FA President James Pearson missed out, while Sheridan Samuels maintained his position.
There are currently 19 members on the JFF Board of Directors, with a need being identified for restructuring. As a result, 8 of the 13 parish presidents must give way to a reduced board of 11. 6 of the 11 positions will go towards the JFF president, his 4 vice presidents and 2 appointed members. The other 4 members will come from the parishes through a confederation election, of which 2 members have already booked their tickets. Over in the Eastern Confed, St. Mary FA President James Pearson lost his seat to former reggae boy Errol Stevens, who came out 15-10 at the polls. The votes came from the parishes of St. Anne, Portland and St. Mary, with each getting 9 votes, although St. Anne turned up 2 short on the day. Over on the western side, Hanover FA President Sheridan Samuels took up the position unopposed. The other 2 elections will take place on Sunday, with Patrick Malcolm of St. Elizabeth all set to take charge of the South as there is no challenger. Stevens, Samuels and Malcolm enjoy strong support from the camp of JFF President Michael Ricketts. However, Ricketts' camp is not expected to have things its own way in the north, which consists of Casafa, St. Thomas and St. Catherine. Casafa President Mark Bennett is the overwhelming favourite to win the ticket and is being challenged by Roger Simmons from St. Catherine. Bennett has the full support of his association along with St. Thomas. The 2 appointed members will be decided on Sunday, January 14 at the JFF Voting Congress to be held at the Russey's High School in Hanover. Should Ricketts retain his position as president, then Bruce Gaynor and Rudolph Speed will fill the positions. But if challenger Raymond Anderson upsets the apple cart, then Dave Cameron and Carole Beckford will fill the roles.